It is mainly used in probability and statistics. So what is the tree diagram? The tree diagram is most times used when you are asked to find the sample space of a coin. Let's use the coin for example. The coin has two faces, that means the head and the tail. For example, if you toss a coin, you have, from the tree diagram, you have something like this, a head and a tail. So the sample space, if you toss a coin, the sample space will either be a head will show up or a tail will show up. That is the meaning. If you toss a coin, it's either the head will show up or the tail, which is the other side of the coin, will show up. This is for one coin. If you toss two coins, you get something like this. A head and a tail. A head and a tail, then a head and a tail. So the sample space, if you toss two coins, will now be head. It's either the head will show up or head tail will show up, head tail, or tail head will show up, tail head, or tail will show up, tail. So these are the possible outcomes you can get if you toss two coins. How about tossing three coins? If you throw three coins, what is the sample space? We also use the tree diagram to explain that. If three coins is tossed, we'll have our sample space to be something like this. Head tail for the first coin, the second coin, head tail, head tail. The third coin, head tail, head tail, head tail, head tail. So the sample space, if you toss three coins, you get something like this. If three coins is tossed, you get head. It's either you get head will show up, head, tail will show up, head, tail will show up, or head, tail, head, tail, head, or head, tail, head, tail, or tail, head, or tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, tail, head, tail, head, or tail, tail. So these are the possible outcomes you can get. This for one coin, if you toss one coin. Here, if you toss two coins. And this place, if three coins is tossed. So this is just the concept of the tree diagram. This is how we can get outcomes when we are using the tree diagram on probability. For more on this topic, you can subscribe to this channel.